kitty. Come on. Come on. Come on. Drugs. No, we're okay. Drugs. This is awkward. No, thank you. Drugs. Who invited? Guys, he literally switched shoes with me because it's raining right now. He's about to run to his car. Are you ready?
I'm not messing up those shoes, bro.
Good go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What in the world?
Dang, I done hit these people's car. Hold up. Yo, y'all okay? Y'all. Now I know I ain't hit y'all that hard. Like, oh my.
Bro, there's like all these flies buzzing above your head.
Do something about it. I just text my wife. I feel like I deserve pee-pee touches. She just left me on red.
Molly, you know George?
George who?
George Bush!
Oh my god. George Bush! Grace, hey! Get me out of here! Hey, my purse fell!
No, you're not a piece of trash. You're worth more than that. I can get you out of here. Shake it really, really hard. Oh.
What just happened? Did it hit you in the face? What? Oh my god.
I got it on video.
Y'all, I'm literally scared. I just got home from work and look. This cat is I don't know. He literally won't stop staring at me. Y'all, what the That is not real. Just get the out of me.
This guy's a sociopath.
No, you cut through.
What the
Right? And then you just pop one of these bad boys
There's
out.
no way.
You just pop one of these bad
You
boys
cut
out.
it.
You just pop one of these bad boys up.